Our story begins on a warm summer's day with the sun in the sky. So we reach up to the sun and we say, "Hello, sun." We find Alice lying on the riverbank with her sister, coming down to lie on your backs, arms out wide and lift your legs up. Alice is feeling so very bored. Her legs go over to one side as her head twists to the other, and over to the other side as her head twists to the other. Oh, it's so lazy and hazy on this hot summer's day. Alice begins to have a daydream. All of a sudden, a white rabbit comes hopping by, coming up to sit on your hands and knees. Spread your fingers wide, tuck your toes and lift your bottom, and then do a hop in the air. 1, 2, 3, hoppity hoppity hop. And again, 1, 2, 3, hoppity hoppity hop. The rabbit stops up on his hind legs, balancing on your tiptoes. He looks a bit worried. He twists from side to side, looking for something in his waistcoat pocket. He finds it, a pocket watch. He looks at the time and he tuts. "Oh dear, I shall be late. I'm late for a very important date." And he hops off. Turning to the side, spread your fingers, lift your bottom and hop. 1, 2, 3, hoppity hoppity hop. And again, 1, 2, 3, hoppity hoppity hop. Alice jumps to her feet and she runs after the rabbit, running as fast as she can, chasing him. But he dives head first down into a rabbit hole. Turning to the side, reach your arms up and fold all the way forwards. Alice gets onto her tummy, coming down onto your bellies, hands under your shoulders, and wriggle your shoulders up. She wriggles in to the rabbit hole after the white rabbit, without a thought of how she'll get out. But oh dear, this was no little rabbit hole. This was a very big rabbit hole. Tuck your toes and lift your bottom up to the sky. Alice begins falling down. Her legs lift up, one at a time behind her. Help! Taking that foot down and lifting the other. Help! Coming to sit on your bottoms, everyone, with your legs crossed. The fall was lasting so long that Alice could sit with her legs crossed, and she could twist and have a look from side to side, twisting to one side to see, bookcases and cupboards. Ooh, and she twists to the other side to see a jar of orange marmalade. Finally, she lands at the bottom of the rabbit hole with a bump, twisting from side to side. Bump, 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 bump. She has a little look around, using her cosminoculars. Thumbs and fingers together, have a look through. I spy a giant mushroom. And on that mushroom is a big blue caterpillar, coming into caterpillar pose, lying on your bellies, everyone, hands under your shoulders, and wiggle, 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 wiggle all the way up. He says, "Who are you?" Alice doesn't know who she is. All this growing big into giant Alice and tiny into little tiny Alice. She's got no idea. He begins to wiggle off and he says, "Why don't you eat the mushroom? One side will make you shorter, the other side will make you taller. Good luck." Alice jumps to her feet, coming all the way up. Feet together, everyone. Bring your arms up above your head. She reaches one way to get one side of the mushroom and the other way to get the other side. Now she can adjust her size as she needs to. Up ahead, she sees a tree, coming into tree pose. Bring one foot on top of the other, your hands together at your heart. Grow your tree up nice and tall and I wonder how strong the trees are here in Wonderland. You stay tall and strong. I'll have a go at blowing you down. Here I come. Doopy-doopy-doo. Oh my My goodness, they are super strong here in Wonderland. Let's try it on the other side. Bring the other foot on top now, your hands together, and grow your tree up nice and tall. Oh, can you open those branches? Very good. Now Alice can see something in the tree. There's a big cat sitting in the tree, coming into cat pose on your hands and knees. This cat has got the most ginormous grin on its face. Ding! And it says, as it moves its eyes one way without moving its head, that way for the March Hare. And then it moves its eyes to the other side. And that way for the Hatter. And then it disappears in a puff of smoke, walking your hands back to come up onto your tiptoes and do a big jump in the air. 1, 2, 3, woo! But it leaves behind its grin. Ding! Alice stands in confusion. Well, I have often seen a cat without a grin, but never a grin without a cat. Let's do our boat pose. Coming to sit on our bottoms, knees bent, hands behind us. We lift up one foot, lift up two, lift up one hand, and lift up no hands. And give me a wave. Hi! And off we go, sailing through the night and day, in and out of weeks and almost a year, to where the wild things are. Coming to kneel. The wild things roar, their terrible roars. After 3, let's lift up onto our knees, spread our fingers, stick our tongues out and roar. Ready? 1, 2, 3. They gnash their terrible teeth. Let's gnash our terrible teeth. And they roll their terrible eyes all the way around one way and all the way around the other way. And they wriggle their terrible claws. Oh, look at your claws all wriggling, until we stand bravely before them, just like Max in a mountain pose. Powerful palms facing forwards to say, be still. And we use our special magic trick of calmly breathing in and out, whilst staring into their yellow eyes without blinking once. And they are all frightened. And they call us the most wild thing of all. The wild things bow, folding all the way forwards, as we are now their king. Rising all the way up, we reach our arms up to the sky to declare, and now, let the wild rumpus start. And off we go, jigging around, jigging, 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 and hopping, hop, 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 and the other side, hop, 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 hop. We step nice and wide, bend our knee, and we howl to the moon. Howl! Then we turn the other way and we howl to the stars. Howl! We do our wild thing pose. Coming to sit on our bottoms, legs out long, we bend one knee, place a hand behind us, reach our other arm forward, sweep it all the way round and up and over our heads, lifting our hips into our wild thing pose. Woohoo! Then we lower all the way back down and we do it on the other side. Spinning around to face the other way now. Bending our knee, taking our hand behind us, reaching our arm forward, sweeping it all the way round and up, over our heads, lifting our hips into our wild thing pose on the other side. Yee-haw! Until we've had enough rumpus, at which we sit back down on our bottoms with our legs crossed, holding up our hands to say, "Now stop." And we send all of the wild things to bed without any dinner. Coming up to stand. Come on, let's carry on. We're going on a bear hunt. We're going to catch a big one. Jump your feet wide, arms wide. What a beautiful day. Jump your feet together, reach up to the sun and say, "Hello, sun." Now bring your hands to your hips and shake your head. We're not scared. No way. Uh-oh, a cave. Jump your feet wide, take your arms wide and bring them above your head, coming into your cave pose. It's a damp, gloomy cave. We can't go under it. Coming all the way down onto your knees and onto your bellies. Curl your shoulders up and wriggle under. No, we can't go over it. Tuck your toes, hands and knees, and press your hips up to the sky. We have to go through it. Coming up to stand, everyone. It's very damp and drippy, so we tiptoe, tiptoe, tiptoe in. Ooh, very damp and drippy. What's that? We stop and we put our hands out to feel. Bringing your fingers to your nose. One wet, shiny nose. We take our fingers to our ears. Two big, furry ears. Then we cup our hands and put them over our eyes. Two big, goggly eyes. Then we lower our hands and we hear the most enormous roar coming down to your knees, everyone. After three, a big roar, sticking your tongue out. Ready? 1, 2, 3. It's a bear! Coming up, everyone. Quick, tiptoe back through the cave. Now through the snowstorm, crossing our legs, crisscrossing our fingers behind our heads. Woo-hoo, 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 woo-hoo. Back through the forest, coming into your tree pose. One foot on top of the other, your hands together. Grow up tall. Oop, try not to wobble. Back through the thick, oozy mud, coming to stand and squelch. And the other way, squelch. Now we need to swim back through the river, coming onto your bellies, everyone, and swim. Splashy, sploshy, splashy, sploshy. Now that long wavy grass, coming up to stand, finding your balance. Here we go. Swishy, swashy, swishy, swashy, swishy, swashy. And the other way. Swishy, swashy, swishy, swashy, swishy, swashy. We get back to our front door, coming down to our knees, and take your leg out to the side. Bring your hand up to the sky. We open the front door. Ooh. In we go. We run inside, up the stairs. Oh no! We forgot to shut the front door. Coming back down the stairs, back to the door, on our knees, taking our other leg out to the other side this time, reaching your arm up and close the front door. Ooh. Coming back up to stand, everyone, and run, 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 up the stairs, into our bedrooms, where we get into our beds. Oh, down we go, lying on our backs, resting our arms down. We pull the covers all the way up, snuggling ourselves under, and we say to ourselves, we are never going on a bear hunt again. This feels so nice. Here we are, back in our beds, safe as can be, happy to be taking a little bit of a rest. And we lie here, we rest our bodies, our brains, our minds, and we let ourselves enjoy the peace.